My name is Tsuyoshi Kawata, and I'm 23 years old, and I'm from Osaka, Japan. This is a taped it. Yeah, taped it. I bought the jeans in July 2014, and I've been wearing them for over 4 years. I did my first wash after wearing 9 months, and I kind of regret because I thought I could wear longer. I thought uh, I can repair them by myself, so I decided to buy sewing machine for me. First, it's not easy, you know. I kept practicing. Yeah, so now I repair my jeans, also my friend's jeans, and I'm really enjoying repairing my jeans because I can make my jeans like really unique. The relationship with me and my jeans is kind of like same as the relationship between me and my friend. If I have some problems with my friend, I've never thought I need to get new one. I got problem of my jeans. I always try to repair my jeans. And me and my friends, when we are in trouble, always try to fix our relationship. So it's the same.